In this practice, we will learn how to assign materials to polygon surface and basis of polypainting. In the subtool menu, we can see colors or materials assigned to surface without pressing the little polypaint icon. To see assigned colors in the subtool section, I clicked on the small brush icon next to the eye icon in same row with my subtool. Select a color from the color menu. The color is assigned to the entire surface with the fill object function. When you turn off the polypaint icon, we see our polygon in the selected color, not the assigned color. When you disable polypaint icon, polygon appears on the selected color and material, and not the color and material assigned to it. If we enable the polypaint icon, we see polypainted surface. Green is the currently selected color, but we see in orange. If the RGB button above is selected while polypaint is active, we can paint vertices with the selected color. If the Z button is also selected, color and bumping will be brushed on polygon surface. If we pressed Alt key, the alternate color and cavity operation is applied. The KI shortcut allows us to change the color transparency value. Let's close the edit. Only the painting process happens while the RGB button is selected. Let's examine the different brush behavior now. Drag dot paints where we drag and drop. I increase the color value with the key I. We see how the drag dot brush stroke type behaves. Now observe the drag brush behavior. The reason for applying right and left at the same time because of the symmetry function is active. We can turn the symmetry option on and off with the X key. Shift drag to snap the polygon to the nearest axis. No matter what you do, to avoid unwanted situations, take into consideration that cancel perspective distortion in ZBrush. Also, you can switch it off with the key P. M is for only to assign material and MRGB if you want to assign both color and material. Let's choose another material. The material of the figure changed immediately because there is no material already assigned to this polygon surface. We choose the old material again. I select the MRGB button before applying color fill objects. Or just the material button. When color fill object is applied, the selected material is also assigned to the surface of the active polygon. Let's choose another material. I've chosen a reflective one. Material button selected. When I paint, new material was assigned to the related surface. Two materials have now been assigned to this polygon surface. The reason for the pixelated surface is because subtool is low polygon. Press Ctrl D several times and turn subtool to a higher polygon. By this way, I increase the number of surfaces and let's paint. Now it won't be seen as pixelated. Now it has many more small surfaces. In this case, we can call this is high polygon. Choose another material. Some matcap material color is constant like that. For that reason, I'm changing one another material. I choose the metal material. MRGB button is checked. As I apply painting, both selected color and selected material were assigned to the surface. If only RGB is selected, we would have just paint the color and not assign material. In conclusion, buttons on the top allows us to do operations such as bumping or cavitation, color assignment, material assignment, or assigning both material and color.